Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Okay, I'm gonna make this a short video because the last minute video is very long. Okay, Block 7, Module 1. In Katzing, it consists of these 5 chapters, and in Lippincott, it consists of these 2 chapters. Okay, Block 7, Module 1. Block 7, Module 2, Autonomic Pharmacology. This is basic pharmacology, okay? Module 1 is basic pharmacology. Module 2 is autonomic pharmacology. Autonomic pharmacology consists of these 5 chapters. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 in Katzing. And then in Lippincott, we have these 5 chapters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's Lippincott. Now, Module 3, Block 7, Hemodynamics. This is these 3 chapters in Katzing, along with anti-leukemia drugs. Where are they? Here. Anti-leukemia drugs within this chapter, and anti-malarial drugs in this chapter, okay? Not the whole chapter, only leukemia and malaria, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this big chunk. That's Module 3, Block 7. And then Module 2, Block 7 is this, and Module 1, Block 7 is this. Now in Lippincott, Block 7, Module 1 is this. Block 7, Module 2, Autonomics is this. And then Module 3, Block 7 is these 2 chapters, okay? Along with anti-leukemia drugs and the anti-malarial drugs, anti-protozoa. So 1, 2, 3, 4, Module 3, and then Module 2, and then Module 1. Now for Block 2. Block 2 is, Block 8, we start with endocrine and respiration. Respiratory drugs are covered in this chapter, okay? And endocrine drugs is this block except for estrogens and androgens, okay? That's Block 9. So 1 and then 2. This is Module 1, Block 8, Module 4, okay? Now in Katzing, we have this chapter for respiration, okay, asthma and COPD. And then for endocrine, we have this big chunk, except for gonadotropins. Bone homeostasis is included in this block, okay? We didn't do it properly last time, but it's included here. Okay, so this is Module 2, Block 8, and then this is Module 1, Block 8. Module 2, Block 8 is CVS, which is this big chunk in Katzing, and in Lippincott, it is this big chunk, okay? This. CVS. And then we also did antimicrobacterial drugs as well for tuberculosis and leprosy. In Katzing, it's this chapter. And we also covered histamine as well. Antihistamines in Katzing are covered smooth muscle, so here, only the histamine part. And then in Lippincott, it's here, the histamine serotonin chapter, but only the histamine part. Okay? That's Block 8. Now Block 9. What's Block 9? Yeah. We'll start with GIT and musculoskeletal and skin. Okay? GIT is this chapter, and then skin is dermatological disorders, okay? Then for musculoskeletal, it's this anti-inflammatory chapter, okay? That is Block 9, Module 1. And then Block 9, Module 2 is CNS and renal. For renal, it's only the BPH and UTI drugs, which have already been covered. So I'll just cover the CNS, which is this block, this big chunk. And then CNS in Katzing is this big chunk. And then we also have, for musculoskeletal, we have these chapters. And this anti-inflammatory NSAID chapter. And then GIT is this chapter, and then skin is this chapter, okay? We also did cover some drugs of abuse, so cannabinoids and drugs of abuse here in Lippincott. Now, also, last thing, we covered anti-protozoal drugs, anti-helminthic drugs. These are the 2 chapters in Katzing. And then in Lippincott, these are the anti-protozoals and anti-helminthics from Block 9, okay? I'm not repeating that. Okay, bye.